Funko Pop Addicts! What's up? It's your boy Delz. Welcome to a brand new video unboxing something that I ordered, I think 2 weeks ago from Funko. Of course, it takes forever because Funko takes forever when it comes to ordering stuff. They charge an arm and a leg and they take forever to ship. It'd be different if they shipped it like 2-day shipping for what they charge, but they don't. They do know how to pack the box though, I must say. It says do not put on the shelves until August 3rd. Wow, that was a long time ago. And we got Rory with the Predator mask. Check him out. Love the pop. Has that Halloween vibe to it. This is from a Halloween scene in the movie. I heard it was actually a pretty funny scene, but I heard the movie was terrible. I was planning on seeing it this week that passed, but I passed because I've heard nothing but awful things about this movie. Let me know if I should see it. Leave that in the comment box below or not. It was terrible. Regardless, what really got me into this pop was the fact that it got the Halloween vibe. I love these kind of Funko Pops where you have people dressed up as characters, like what they did with Stranger Things. So I wanted this regardless how the movie was going to be. So let's take them out of the box. Hit that thumbs up button for that out of the box review. I know not everyone likes to take them out the box. Over here at this channel, we do that. So if you haven't subscribed, do that. And let's take them out the box. So here is a look at him out of the box. The helmet is really awesome. Check out the helmet. Some people don't really like the new look, you know. I've heard a lot of people that are complaining, but it could be just people that are just not embracing the new, you know, just living in the past. It seems to be that case sometimes, but sometimes stuff sucks. Like, I thought The Last Jedi was horrible, the Star Wars movie, The Last Jedi, but I did like Solo. I thought Solo was a decent flick. You know, I try to embrace everything. I mean, I gotta give it a shot. If I like it, I like it. If not, then see ya. You know, that's how I do. By the way, I did do an out-of-the-box review on the Predator Hound Chase out of the box. So definitely check that out. Eventually, I'll put a pop-up somewhere on the screen. And it's a cool pop out of the box. Got some weight to it. I love the sneakers. The yellow jacket. It's just a nice-looking pop. There's a side profile. And once again, yeah, I'm really into these kind of pops that have, like, you know, that like Halloween vibe, like a Halloween costume. That's why I really loved all of the Stranger Things ones. There's a look at the back. Wish he had like something in the pail. That would have been cool. And there's a look at his other side. Check out over there. That's pretty awesome. And I did hear, once again, that there's a funny scene with this. I don't want to give it away, but someone was saying, oh yeah, it's a pretty funny scene with the kid. Just want to give you a good look. Some little bird's eye view. Bird's eye view. And there you go with a close-up HD look at Rory with the Predator mask. Let me know what you think of this pop. Did you pick it up? Did you try picking it up? Did you pass? Unfortunately, it's sold out, so I can't link you to where you can get this one, but there's tons of other Funko Pops that you can pre-order now, like the new Star Wars holiday pops, the Marvel holiday pops, the SpongeBob holiday pops. There's also the Married with Children pops. A whole bunch of Game of Thrones Funko Pops, which I love. I definitely plan on picking up some. There's a few of my Game of Thrones Funko Pops. I'm on my tippy toes on this wall trying to get them. Can't wait for 2019 where we get this last season. It's going to be pretty awesome. By the way, there is a huge restock on the Hulk Funko Pops. One store I went to had them for $8.99, and my friend went to another store and they were selling them for $20.99. So check out your local Targets ASAP. Another thing, the Twinkie. I know everyone going crazy over the Twinkie Funko Pop. I will link in the description box below. You can get the standard version, and there is a chase available. This will not glow in the dark though, like the Target exclusive, but you still get a Twinkie Funko Pop. So if you're looking for a Twinkie Funko Pop, because they're sold out everywhere, you still can get it. I'll link that in the description box below. Check the description box below to make a long story longer, just to help you out. I'll list and continue to list all the new Funko Pops that you can pre-order and lock in. Also, I have a Patreon where I do an hour podcast with Q&A. Definitely check that out. You will enjoy it. If you love my videos, you'll love the podcast. That's over at patreon.com/DJ Delz. I am looking for the Stinkor Funko Pop. I am looking for the Metallic Thanos Funko Pop. I am looking for the Jeffrey the Giraffe as Iron Man Funko Pop. I am looking for the Ant-Man Chase Funko Pop. If you have any of those, hit me up. If you want to do trades, let me know over at DELZ, Delz Toy Show on Instagram. Please hit me up if you want to do trades. Also, of course, I've been asking for forever, but you may be new to the channel. I am looking for the Chase of Audrey too, so holla at ya boy. Plus, be on the lookout. I will be doing the Venom Marvel Corp pack that Amazon is doing, the subscription box every single month. I will be doing the Venom one, so stay tuned. That should be shipping very, very shortly. I should be getting that soon. And the FYE Carnage exclusive, they have it for me to pick up. I did pre-order it. I just have no time to pick it up today. So hopefully tomorrow I will go and pick it up. Also, another pop I'm looking for is the Darth Vader Christmas Chase, the one with the glow-in-the-dark candy cane. So if you have any of those, hit me up and leave in the comment box below if there's any Funko you're looking for. Maybe I can help you out. And please leave a comment. If you have nothing to say, just write "I love pizza." The more comments, the more YouTube recommends my videos to other people. So doing that will mean the world to me. Plus, if you haven't banged that thumbs up button, please do so. And please, if you've seen the Predator movie, let me know how you felt about the movie. I mean, of course, it's not going to compare to the OG with Schwarzenegger. I mean, that's just legendary. But let me know what you think of the Predator. Thanks for tuning in. Much love. We out.